How to contact Kirin customer support via app. First of all, open the Kirin app and make sure you are logged into your account. Next, from the main screen or game lobby, look for the menu icon, usually represented by the three horizontal lines, or the gear settings icon, and tap on it. In the menu, find and select the contact option. This will open the support page where you can access various help topics or directly contact the support team. Here you can send a message or report an issue through the messenger. After you type your message, tap the send button to submit your details and the problem you are facing. Make sure to provide clear and concise information to help the support team assist you faster. Once submitted, you may receive a message and the customer support agent will get back to you through the app. Always check your messages or email regularly for any replies or updates from the support team. Now you know how to contact Kirin customer support via the app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.